Magnific AI versus Krea AI. I'm going to tell you which AI image enhancer is better, Magnific AI or Krea AI. Magnific AI is a premium upscaler designed for professionals. It doesn't just enhance resolution, it adds new details, textures, and depth, making images look more realistic and refined. However, it comes at a cost, starting at $39 per month and lacks a free trial. Some users have also reported issues with its credit system and the absence of a free plan. Krea AI, on the other hand, is a free alternative that's more accessible to casual users. It offers basic upscaling and enhancement features without the hefty price tag. While it may not match Magnific AI in terms of details and realism, it's a solid choice for those on a budget or just starting out.